Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So in this video, I will try to explain you how we can add a new actor into this one. So for right now, we are having these details, right? So if you try to have a new button, something like add a new actor, how we can display all the details. Let's try to show you. So for this one, what I will try to do it is, so here I will be having a button and here add actor. So here I will show the add actor. Now here I will try to do is inside this form is there, right? So that's why I will try to keep it as a button. Now and click, I will be using add actor. Okay, so this is the method which I am trying to use it. So now here I can go it here into this one and here I can create a new actor. So now I need to create a new actor. So that means I can do something like this dot model is equal to new actor. So I want to keep it as an all as empty. That's it. So now fine. So now when you try to here, if you go and if I try to click on this add actor, everything becomes empty. So this is fine. This is the expected thing only. So now here I will try to do class btn hyphen info like this. I will try to keep it. Yeah. So now if I try to click on add actor, everything will go away and also the model also is getting refreshed. So this is how you can keep the you can clear the add actor thing. So now another one what I want to explain you is, for example, let's say that I will refresh this page, okay, and here I will try to write something and I removed it. So here name is required, it is showing, but when I try to click on add actor, so all the things has been cleared, but still it is showing name is required. This message should not show. Why? Because so we are trying to reset this form. So but still this one, if you try to observe carefully, so here it is still is an ng invalid and ng hyphen touched and ng hyphen dirty. But actually when I am trying to click on this add actor, this form needs to be reset. So reset means it needs to have a fresh form. Why? Because I am trying to click a new actor. So that means that should be refreshed. So what I can do it is, one thing what we can do it is, already I have added here a reference link which is a type of ng form. So here I can do actor form dot reset. Okay. So I can use this method reset. Now if I try to use this reset, so now let's say that I am having this one. So I have clicked here and I have removed it. So for this one I will be having an ng dirty ng like this I will be having. So for this form also. So for this one I am having ng dirty, ng invalid, ng touch like this I am having. But as soon as when I click on this one, immediately, so these all the things will go away. So ng invalid is common. Why? Because it is an empty form. ng untouched and ng hyphen pristine, and also the message also has gone. See, if I try to remove this one, so we are able to see this message, and if I try to click on add actor, the message has gone. So this is the thing which you need to understand. So here we need to reset this form. So this is one important thing. For example, let's say that if you want to add this one in our code side means, so you need to send this actor form, and here you can go here and you can get the form of type ng form, sorry, ng form, not ng for, it's an ng form, and here you need to reset this form. So that is nothing but form dot reset. That's it. So you can also use the reset form or reset anything. So now if I try to click on this one, so if I write here something and if I remove it and if I click on this add actor, everything will go away. So this way is also one of the same only, or otherwise you can write it in this way. So now when I am trying to submit this form, so what will happen? So if I try to submit this form, so what can you do it? So for this one, you can do something like ng submit. Okay, ng submit is equal to on submit. So this is the on submit. So now here let's go into this one, and here I can use the on submit, and here, so if you want to get the model details means, so you can get the current model details. There is nothing but the current everything, the values of this form, you will be able to get it. So now here if I try to show you the data, if I write it something and if I click on the submit in the console, you'll try to see it. So we are able to see the actor details. But if I want to get the form details means, what can I do? I can send the form into this one. So here whatever the button we are, whatever the form we are having it here, so I can send the actor form directly, the entire ng form I can send it, and here in this one I can take this ng form, and now you can do whatever you want it. So here you can get the entire form details, like whatever the controls are there, everything you will be able to get it. So here if I try to write it something like this and if I click on the submit, So you will be able to get this ng form, and ng form will contains all those details. And also here ng form, what is the form you are having, form group. So ng form.form.control. So what are the controls you are having, name, skill studio. So these are the names which we are trying to keep it here. So depending on this name only. For example, if I try to change this name, so if I try to refresh this page, and if I try to submit it, so here you will be able to see the form, and here in this controls, so the same name you will be able to see it. So that means, that's why I'm trying to tell you that name is important. So now ng form, we have got the ng form details, and everything you will be having here. So whatever it is valid or not, and what are the values you are having, same thing. So you can have the ng values changes, so everything, whatever the things you want, you can have able to have it. So this is the form directive which you are having ng form, just like in the reactive form group instance. So the same form instance you will be able to have it. So this is what I want to explain you. So now if you want to, on submitting, if you want to show the details means, so you can have something like submitted is equal to false. So you can have the submitted is equal to false. So whenever the user has submitted, you can do the this dot submitted is equal to true. Okay, and here you can do something like in HTML. So this entire thing, so you can make it as an ng if, okay, ng if it is not of submitted. If it is submitted means, then you can come to down. So this is entire form, right? So this entire form, and here you can come down, and here you can do ng if. You can use if it is submitted means. So then in this one, so you can show the data. So whatever the submitted data you are having it, right? So whatever the submitted data you want to show it. So like, let's say that skills and all those things, if you want to show it means, so you have submitted the following, something like this. You can show like H2. So you have submitted the, oh sorry, you have submitted the following. So this is the thing which you can show the message. And here you can have something like dot row dot call hyphen xs hyphen 3. So here in this one I can show something like name, and here also I can have another one as something like xs hyphen 9, and here I can show model dot name. In the same scenario, what I can do it is, I can show the skill and the studio also. Skill, so here I can have the skill model dot skill. I can show the model dot skill. In the same scenario, I can show the studio, and here I can show the model dot studio. So now here I can have a button in such a way that button type is equal to button, and here I can show something like edit. So here I can show reset form, and here, sorry, on click I can show the reset form, and here I can show the edit thing. And this reset form, you can go to here and you can show the reset form here, and here I can show this dot submitted is equal to false. That's it. So now let's try to see the output for this one. So whatever the values you are trying to submit here, immediately you will be able to see that these are the details submitted. And if I click on edit, again we will go back here. So if you want to reset this form means, you can reset this form. So something like you know already, so you can send this actor form automatically and you can do it. So form ng form, and you can reset this form. That's not a thing. So this is the way where we will be doing it. This is all about the template forms. So hope you understood about this concept. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.